Assalamualaikum. I will discuss some important MCQs from parasympathetic drugs. Question number 1 is the group of nicotinic receptor blocking drugs consists of option A ganglions blocking blockers, option B atropine similar drugs, option C neuromuscular junction blockers, option D both A and C. The correct answer of this question is option D both A and C. Question number 2. M3 receptor subtype is located option A in the myocardium, option B in the sympathetic postganglionic neurons, option C on the effector cell membrane of granular and smooth muscle cells, option D on the motor end plates. The correct answer of this question is option C on effector cell membrane of the glandular and smooth muscle cells. Question number 3. Which of the following drug is both a muscarinic and nicotinic blocker? Option A atropine, option B benztropine, option C hexamethonium, option D succinylcholine. The correct answer of this question is option B benztropine. Question number 4. Indicate a muscarinic receptor blocking drug. Option A scopolamine, option B pepicuronium, option C trimethophan, option D pilocarpine. The correct answer of this question is option A scopolamine. Question number 5. Which of the following agent is a ganglion blocking drug? Option A hematropine, option homoatropine, option B hexamethonium, option C rapacuronium, option D adrophonium. The correct answer of this question is option B hexamethonium. Question number 6. Indicate the skeletal muscle relaxant which is a depolarizing agent. Option A vancuronium, option B scopolamine, option C succinylcholine, option D hexamethonium. The correct answer of this question is option C succinylcholine. Question number 7. Which of the following drugs is a non-depolarizing muscle relaxant? Option A pancuronium, option B succinylcholine, option C hexamethonium, option D scopolamine. The correct answer of this question is option A pancuronium. Question number 8. Indicate the drug which is rapidly and fully distributed into the CNS and has a greater effect than the most of the anti-muscarinic drugs. Option A atropine, option B scopolamine, option C homatropine, option D ipratropium. The correct answer of this question is option B scopolamine. Question number 9. The effect of the drug on parasympathetic function declines rapidly in the organ of except option A eye, option B heart, option C smooth muscle organs, option D glands. The correct answer of this question is option A eyes. Question number 10. The mechanism of atropine action is a competitive ganglionic blockage, option B competitive muscarinic blockage, option C competitive neuromuscular blockage, option D non-competitive neuromuscular blockage. The correct answer of this question is option B competitive muscarinic blockage. Question number 11. The tissue most sensitive to the atropine are option A, the salivary, bronchial and sweat glands, option B, gastric fatter cells, option C, smooth muscles and autonomic effectors, option D, heart. The correct answer of this question is option A, the salivary, bronchial and sweat glands. Question number 12. Atropine is highly selective for option A, M1 receptor subtype, option B, M2 receptor subtype, option C, M3 receptor subtype, option D, all of the above. The correct answer of this question is option D, all of the above. Question number 13. Which of the following anti-muscarinic drug is often effective in preventing and reversing vestibular disturbance, especially motion sickness? Option A, atropine, option B, ipratropium, option C, scopolamine, option D, hematropine. The correct answer of this question is option C, scopolamine. Question number 14. Atropine causes option A, meiosis, a reduction in the intraocular pressure and cyclospasm, option B, mydriasis, a rise in the intraocular pressure and cycloplegia, option C, meiosis, a rise in intraocular pressure and cycloplegia, option D, mydriasis, a rise in intraocular pressure and cyclospasm. The correct answer of this question is option B, mydriasis, a rise in intraocular pressure and cycloplegia. Question number 15. Patient complain of dry and sandy eye when received large dose of option A, atropine, option B, hexamethonium, option C, pilocarpine, option D, carbachol. The correct answer of this question is option A, atropine. Question number 16. All of the following parts of the heart are more sensitive to the muscarinic receptors blockade except option A, atria, option B, sinoatrial nodes, option C, atrioventricular node, option D, ventricles. The correct answer of this question is option D, ventricles. Question number 17. Atropine causes option A, bradycardia, hypertension and bronchoconstriction, option B, tachycardia, little effect on the blood pressure and bronchodilation, option C, decrease in contractile strength, conduction velocity and through the AV node, option D, tachycardia, hypertension, crisis and bronchodilation. The correct answer of this question is option B, tachycardia, little effect on the blood pressure and bronchodilation. Question number 18. Atropine is frequently used prior to the administration of inhalant anesthetics to reduce option A, muscle tone, option B, excretion, option C, nausea, vomiting, option D, all of the above. The correct answer of this question is option D, all of the above. Question number 19. Which of the following anti-muscarinic drugs is a selective M1 receptor blocker? Option A, atropine, option B, scopolamine, option C, pyrazipine, option D, hematropine. The correct answer of this question is option C, pyrazipine. Question number 20. Atropine causes option A, spasmolytic activity, option B, intestinal hypermotility, option C, stimulation of the contraction in the gut, option D, stimulation of excretory activities. The correct answer of this question is option A, spasmolytic activity. Question number 21. Which of the following drugs is useful in the treatment of uterine spasm? Option A, carbachol. Option B, vicuronium. Option C, atropine. Option D, adrophonium. The correct answer of this question is option C, atropine. Question number 22. Atropine may cause a rise in the body temperature. Atropine fever. Option A, in adult. Option B, pregnant women. Option C, in infants and children. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer of this question is option C, in infants and children. Question number 23. The pharmacologic actions of the scopolamine most closely resemble those of option A, hexamethonium. Option B, atropine. Option C, succinylcholine. Option D, pilocarpine. The correct answer of this question is option B, atropine. Question number 24. Which of the following drugs is useful in the treatment of Parkinson's disease? Option A, benztropine. Option B, adrophonium. Option C, succinylcholine. Option D, hexamethonium. The correct answer of this question is option A, benztropine. Question number 25. Indicate the antimuscarinic drug which is used as a mydriatic agent. Option A, pilocarpine. Option B, neostigmine. Option C, homoatropine. Option D, ipratropium. The correct answer of this question is option C, homoatropine. Question number 26. Which of the following agent is used as an inhalation drug in asthma? Option A, atropine. Option B, ipratropium. Option C, lobeline. Option D, homoatropine. The correct answer of this question is option B, ipratropium. Question number 27. Which of the following agent is most effective in regenerating cholinesterase associated with the skeletal muscle neuromuscular junction? Option A, succinylcholine. Option B, pyridoxine. Option C, benzapine. Option D, propionine. The correct answer of this question is option B, pyridoxine. Question number 28. Indicate an antimuscarinic drug which is effective in the treatment of mushroom poisoning. Option A, pyridoxine. Option B, pilocarpine. Option C, amitriptyline. Option D, atropine. The correct answer of this question is option D, atropine. Question number 29. Antimuscarinics are used in the treatment of following disorder except option A, motion sickness. Option B, glaucoma. Option C, hyperhidrosis. Option D, asthma. The correct answer of this question is option B, glaucoma. Question number 30. The atropine poisoning include all of the following symptoms except option A, mydriasis, cycloplegia. Option B, hyperthermia, dry mouth, hot and flushed skin. Option C, agitation and delirium. Option D, bradycardia, orthostatic hypotension. The correct answer of this question is option D, bradycardia, orthostatic hypotension. Question number 31. Treatment of the antimuscarinic effects can be carried out with option A, neostigmine. Option B, hexamethonium. Option C, homoatropine. Option D, acetylcholine. The correct answer of this question is option A, neostigmine. Question number 32. Contraindication to the use of anti-muscarinic drugs are all the following except option A, glaucoma, option B, myasthenia gravis, option C, bronchial asthma, option D, paralytic ileus and atony of the urinary bladder. The correct answer of this question is option C, bronchial asthma. Question number 33. Hexamethonium block the action of the acetylcholine and the similar agents agonists at option A, muscarinic receptor sites, option B, neuromuscular junction, option C, autonomic ganglia, option D, axonal transmission. The correct answer of this question is option C, autonomic ganglia. Question number 34. The application of the ganglion blockers have decreased because of their following reason except option A, orthostatic hypotension, option B, lack of sensitivity, option C, homeostasis reflex block, option C, respiratory depression. The correct answer of this question is option D, respiratory depression. Question number 35. Which of the following agent is a short-acting ganglionic blocker? Option A, atropine, option B, trimethophan, option C, hexamethonium, option D, pancuronium. The correct answer of this question is option B, trimethophan. Question number 36. Indicate the ganglion blocker drugs which can be taken orally for the treatment of hypertension. Option A, mecamylamine, option B, scopolamine, option C, trimethophan, option C, vicocuronium. The correct answer of this question is option A, mecamylamine. Question number 37. The systemic effect of hexamethonium include all of the following except option A, reduction of the both peripheral vascular resistance and the venous return, option B, partial mydriasis and loss of accommodation, option C, constipation and urinary retention, option D, stimulation of thermoregulatory sweating. The correct answer of this question is option D. Question number 38. The ganglionic blocker drugs are used for the following emergency except option A, hypertensive crisis, option B, control and hypertension, option C, cardiovascular collapse, option D, pulmonary edema. The correct answer of this question is option C, cardiovascular collapse. Question number 39. Agent that produce neuromuscular blockage act by inhibiting option A, interaction of the acetylcholine with the cholinergic receptors, option B, release of acetylcholine from the prejunctional membrane, option C, packaging of acetylcholine into the synaptic vesicle, option D, reuptake of the acetylcholine into the nerve ending. The correct answer of this question is option A, interaction of the acetylcholine with cholinergic receptors. Question number 40. Skeletal muscle relaxation and the paralysis can occur from the interruption of the function at the several sites includes all of the following except option A, nicotinic acetylcholine receptors, option B, muscarinic acetylcholine receptor, option D, motor and plates, option D, contractile apparatus. The correct answer of this question is option B, muscarinic acetylcholine receptors. Question number 41. Non-depolarization neuromuscular blocking agents, option A, block acetylcholine reuptake, option B, prevent access of the transmission to the receptor and depolarization, option C, block transmission by an excess of the depolarizing agent agonist, option D, all of the above. The correct answer of this question is option B, prevent access to the transmission to its receptor and depolarization. Question number 42. Which of the following drug has double acetylcholine structure? Option A, rocuronium. Option B, carbachol. Option C, atrocuronium. Option D, acetylcholine. The correct answer of this question is option D, acetylcholine. Question number 43. Indicate the long-acting neuromuscular blocking agent. Option A, rapacuronium. Option B, mivacuronium. Option C, tubocuronium. Option D, rocuronium. The correct answer of this question is option C, tubocuronium. Question number 44. Which of the following neuromuscular blocking agent is an intermediate duration muscle relaxant? Option A, vicuronium. Option B, tubocuronium. Option C, pancuronium. Option D, rapacuronium. The correct answer of this question is option A, vicuronium. Question number 45. Indicate the non-depolarizing agent which has the fastest onset of action. Option A, acetylcholine. Option B, rapacuronium. Option C, pancuronium. Option D, tubocuronium. The correct answer of this question is option B, rapacuronium. Question number 46. Indicate the neuromuscular blockers whose breakdown products readily cross the blood-brain barrier and may cause seizures. Option A, pancuronium. Option B, acetylcholine. Option C, tubocuronium. Option D, atrocuronium. The correct answer of this question is option D, atrocuronium. Question number 47. Which competitive neuromuscular blocking agent could be used in patient with renal failure? Option A, atrocuronium. Option B, acetylcholine. Option C, papicuronium. Option D, doxacuronium. The correct answer of this question is option A, atrocuronium. Question number 48. Indicate the non-depolarizing agent which has short duration of action. Option A, acetylcholine. Option B, tubocuronium. Option C, mivacuronium. Option D, pancuronium. The correct answer of this question is option C, mivacuronium. Question number 49. Which depolarizing agent has the extremely brief duration of action? Option A, mivacuronium. Option B, rapacuronium. Option C, rocuronium. Option D, acetylcholine. The correct answer of this question is option D, acetylcholine. Question number 50. Neuromuscular blockage by both acetylcholine and mivacuronium may be prolonged in the drug patient with option A, renal failure. Option B, abdominal variant of the plasma cholinesterase. Option C, hepatic disease. Option D, both B and C. The correct answer of this question is option D, both B and C. Question number 51. Which of the following neuromuscular blockage cause transient muscle fasciculation? Option A, mivacuronium. Option B, pancuronium. Option C, acetylcholine. Option D, tubocuronium. The correct answer of this question is option C, acetylcholine. Question number 52. Indicate muscles which are more resistant to block and recover more rapidly. Option A, hand. Option B, leg. Option C, neck. Option D, diaphragm. The The correct answer of this question is option D, diaphragm. Question number 53. Which neuromuscular blocking agent has the potential to cause greater release of histamine? Option A, succinylcholine. Option B, tuberculin. Option C, pancuronium. Option D, rocuronium. The correct answer of this question is option B, tuberculinium. Question number 54. Which of the following muscular relaxant cause hypertension and bronchospasm? Option A, rocuronium. Option B, succinylcholine. Option C, tuberculin. Option D, rapacuronium. The correct answer of this question is option C, tuberculin. Question number 55. Indicate the neuromuscular blocker which cause tachycardia. Option A, tuberculin. Option B, atracuronium. Option C, pancuronium. Option C, succinylcholine. The correct answer of this question is option C, pancuronium. Question number 56. Which of the following neuromuscular blocking agent cause cardiac arrhythmia? Option A, rocuronium. Option B, tuberculin. Option C, rapacuronium. Option D, succinylcholine. The correct answer of this question is option D, succinylcholine. Question number 57. Effects seen only in depolarizing blockage include all of the following except option A, hypercalcemia. Option B, decrease in intraocular pressure. Option C, MACs. Option D, muscular pain. The correct answer of this question is option B, a decrease in intraocular pressure. Question number 58. Which neuromuscular blocking agent is contraindicated in patients with glaucoma? Option A, tuberculin. Option B, succinylcholine. Option C, pancuronium. Option D, galamine. The correct answer of this question is option B, succinylcholine. Question number 59. Indicate the following neuromuscular blocker which could be contraindicated patient with renal failure. Option A, pepicuronium. Option B, succinylcholine. Option C, atracuronium. Option D, rapacuronium. The correct answer of this question is option A, pepicuronium. Question number 60. Which of the following drug increase the effect of depolarizing neuromuscular blockage agent? Option A, aminoglycoside. Option B, antiarrhythmic drugs. Option C, non-depolarizing blockers. Option D, local anesthesia. The correct answer of this question is option C, non-depolarizing blockers. Question number 61. Which of the following disease can augment the neuromuscular blockage produced by non-depolarizing muscle relaxants? Option A, myasthenia gravis. Option B, burn. Option C, asthma. Option D, Parkinsonism. The correct answer of this question is option A, myasthenia gravis. Question number 50. Which of the following effective antagonize the neuromuscular blockage caused by non-depolarizing drugs? Option A, atropine. Option B, neostigmine. Option C, acetylcholine. Option D, pyridoxine. The correct answer of this question is option B, neostigmine.